If your goals are growing faster than your brokerage's systems, that's causing friction. The moment your production hits a ceiling because of slow support, limited tech, or shrinking margins, staying starts costing more than moving. In this video, I'll map the exit signals that it's time to switch brokerages, then give you a clean checklist to protect your pipeline, keep every client, and land when your growth actually compounds. You'll leave knowing when and how to move without losing momentum. But first, I'm Doug Smart, team leader and full stack developer with Smart Agent Alliance. We love helping agents win, and honestly, we give away more free value than anyone else. Every day, we work with agents completely free to build smarter systems, automate their lead flow, and create real passive income so they can gain more time freedom. If that sounds like something you'd like, click the link below and join our free webinar and see why agents are saying, "I wish I'd known this sooner." No charge, no gimmicks, just real help that works. So, let's get started. Outgrown signals. The signs start small, then compound. Broker support slows down, and you're left waiting days for answers you need in minutes. Training feels cycled, or worse, irrelevant to your production level. The tech you once bragged about now feels like a museum piece. No one seems interested in improving it. Then there's the culture shift, the silent red flag. When recognition goes to whoever shows up at meetings instead of whoever moves the needle, you realize when results have taken a backseat to attendance. That's when growth stalls, not because you lost drive, but because the environment stopped matching your ambition. You notice competitors closing deals faster with half the effort, and it's not because they're working harder, it's because their systems are newer and cleaner. When you're not burning out, you're just outpacing the platform beneath you. When your feeling isn't exhaustion, it's drag. The kind that happens when your business is ready to speed, but your brokerage is still built for the slow lane. Jeff S., a multi-office owner, once said, "My brokerage wasn't bad, it was just built for a version of me that no longer exists." After switching to a cloud model, he cut his hours in half and scaled to 160 agents because the infrastructure finally matched his speed. That's the difference between outgrowing your brokerage and evolving beyond it. So, moving on to the cost of staying. Staying where you've outgrown isn't loyalty, it's lost leverage. Every month you delay a move, you pay 3 ways: in time, in net income, and in future compounding. Time goes first. You spend hours chasing answers or fixing tech instead of prospecting. Then income erodes. Those extra fees, desk costs, and insufficiencies quietly eat your margin. Finally, opportunity cost compounds. The agent you moved last year are now collecting stock, revenue share, and freedom you haven't even started building yet. Here's the math. If your overhead is $1,200 a month higher than it could be, that's over $14,000 a year. Money that could have been reinvested in automation, leads, or time off. Multiply that by 5 years, and you funded someone else's system instead of your own. Switching brokerages is not about chasing shiny objects. It's about reclaiming ROI on your own time. Think of it like trading a gas guzzler for an electric engine. The power output doubles, the maintenance drops, and the mileage compounds every time you wait to switch. And hey, if you're getting value from this already, please subscribe and leave a like. It tells YouTube that agents want real, field-tested systems, no hype. Thank you. Now back to it. Alright, so moving on, when to move. Most agents wait too long to make a change because the old model still sort of works. The problem is, sort of costs more than it saves. The best time to move isn't when things break, it's when growth slows despite your effort. You feel it when every new system takes 3 approvals. Every broker question stalls your day, and you're doing more admin than negotiation. The right move is a planned one. You don't announce, then figure it out. You prep, then move once and cleanly. Audit your current numbers, splits, caps, monthly fees, tech charges, and your average time from inquiry to close. If your ROI is dropping even as your volume rises, that's your signal. Momentum is built on math, not mood. Timing matters because compounding matters. A well-executed switch early in the year can double your equity and revenue share progress compared to waiting for after the busy season. The truth, busy season never ends. It just shifts shape. If your environment isn't compounding your results, it's quietly taxing them. Think of it like replanting a tree that's root-bound. It looks healthy on the surface, but the pot is too small. The sooner you move it, the faster it grows. So why eXp fits? eXp Realty is built for agents whose goals outgrew traditional walls. First, when it comes to transitions, they make it surprisingly simple and fair. You can bring every pending transaction with you, and eXp will pay your previous broker their full due while taking nothing from you. No split, no transaction fee, no penalty for moving forward. That's how it should be, a clean handoff that keeps your income uninterrupted. And if you're wondering how a brokerage can afford to be that generous, here's the answer. eXp is the only publicly traded brokerage that's been cumulatively profitable profitable for the past 5 years. That kind of financial stability means they can invest in their agents instead of charging them for progress. Second, the cloud model removes the overhead that limits scale. No desk fees, no franchise royalties, and no waiting days for broker answers. Everything runs on one global platform where decisions move at the speed of production. You start with an 80-20 split and a $16,000 annual cap. Hit that and every deal is nearly pure profit. Icon agents even earn that $16,000 back in company stock. It's the only structure where your loyalty earns ownership. Add in free Canva Pro, transaction management, CRM options like Bold Trail, Close, and Lofty, and live broker support inside eXp World, all for $85 a month. And the math starts to speak louder than the marketing. Then comes the leverage. You earn 3 ways: through production, through equity, and through revenue share paid from the company's 20% split. Stock awards turn milestones into ownership. Revenue share turns mentorship into monthly deposits. And if you think you don't need revenue share, remember this: if you list 10 homes, you get paid once. If you list 10 agents, you get paid forever. Third, eXp is the only brokerage on the planet that empowers agents to build sponsor teams like ours. Teams can add value beyond the brokerage itself provides. It's a partnership model that rewards collaboration, not competition. eXp sponsors are paid from eXp's company dollar when their agents close deals so that we can provide our value to you for free. If you win, we win. So our intentions are aligned, and all our systems, training, and support were designed to help you succeed. That's why agents who move to eXp stop talking about splits and start talking about freedom. It's the first brokerage that compounds your time instead of consuming it. Moving on, the team leader edge. Team leaders need reach, speed, and control over culture. eXp delivers all 3. You can expand across states or even countries under one cap. Keep your brand intact and onboard agents fast, in days instead of weeks. You keep your internal team splits while also getting leverage income through revenue share and Icon stock awards. That's how leadership income becomes durable. Even when production or market cycles fluctuate, the structure makes scaling simple. Plug your team agents into all of our sponsor team value to save yourself time and get more successful agents. So why does this all matter? This decision decides whether you rent momentum or own it. The right move replaces friction with compounding returns on your time, your team, and your leadership. Here's what you get with Smart Agent Alliance on day 1. Dual sponsorship, passive income systems, top coaching, real community, marketing assets, and a referral network. Smart Agent Alliance's focus is on creating done-for-you systems so you don't have to sit around another training just to implement one small thing. You stay focused on production while we handle the heavy lifting, all at no extra cost. If you want a brokerage that accelerates your freedom instead of limiting it, click the link below, join our free webinar, then book a call to map out your transition. For deeper details, check out our full blog linked in the description below, and there should be some more videos showing up right about now about eXp and our team. Thank you for watching. Peace.